In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your microphone from sounding like this to sounding like this in a few simple steps in OBS to make your live stream sound a lot better. So it's actually super simple. We're going to be adding a couple filters to our microphone. Now currently I'm using the Blue Yeti microphone, and I've had multiple people pop into my stream and ask what kind of microphone I'm using. And I feel like they're actually kind of blown away by the response that I tell them, because I would say my microphone doesn't really sound like a USB microphone. Now then again, the Blue Yeti is still a pretty expensive microphone. But as you guys could tell, if you guys just run it at the default settings with using the gain all the way down to 0 and the heart-shaped mode, which I forget which mode it's called, but it basically just picks up what's in front of the mic. But as you guys could tell, it still kind of sounds bad. I'm just at my desktop and you could still hear my desktop fans, so you could definitely tell if you were in an intensive game. You'd definitely be able to hear the fans in the background, which is no bueno. People don't really want to hear that, so these filters should definitely help you out. Depending on what microphone you're using, you would probably have to tweak these settings a little bit. But first, what you would want to do is go into settings inside your OBS and go to audio and make sure in mic/auxiliary audio your microphone is selected. So mine would be the Blue Yeti. And then you're going to go down here to this cog wheel, the settings wheel right next to your microphone/aux. You're going to right click it and you're going to go to filters. And yours should have absolutely nothing in it at all. It should just be grayed out over here. You shouldn't see any of these audio filters in here. But to add them, you're just going to click this add button. And then you're going to go down to noise suppression. And basically noise suppression, all it does is it suppresses the microphone level to whatever decibel you select. So I put -33. I feel like that's the best for the Blue Yeti. Like I said, if you have a different microphone, you might have to tweak these settings a little bit. But I found -33 decibels is the best. And then you go down and you add a noise gate. And then my noise gate settings, my closed threshold is -96 and my open threshold is -30. So it basically means anything at -96 all the way to -30 will not be picked up in my mic. But anything above 30 decibels, my mic will pick up. And then the attack time is 25 milliseconds, hold time is 200 milliseconds, and release time is 150 milliseconds. And then you go down and you add a compressor. And a compressor is basically compresses your voice. And my ratios are 15.51. Threshold is -16.10 decibels. My attack is 6 milliseconds. My release is 60 milliseconds. And my output gain is 0.0 decibels with the sidechain/ducking source as none. And the last tip I would recommend is going down into your headphones area and open your sound settings, and then go to sound control panel. And this window should pop up. Then go to recording, and then go over to Yeti, whatever microphone you are currently using. I would be the Blue Yeti. Go to properties, and also go to levels. And then put yours down to either 80 to 90. The only reason why I say that is because at 100, your microphone can clip, and clipping is super bad. And then also I come down and I put -11 decibels on this little cog wheel, only so my microphone is pretty much always clipping at this yellow bar when I'm talking into it. You never want it to go to the red, and you never really want it to go. I just basically say always keep it to where whenever you're like talking as normal, and even if you get super loud, just like there, it doesn't really peak all too much. It just pretty much stays around the yellow area whenever you're talking, or a little bit below it. And then you're obviously gonna have to tweak with your desktop audio, because if you leave this at 0, your desktop audio is gonna be a lot louder than yourself. So you're just gonna have to do either or and play around with whichever on how it works out. And yeah, like I said, pretty simple, just a few filters. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, or if this video helped you out, please drop a like on the video. I stream on Twitch pretty much every single day. I stream Escape from Tarkov. I also make videos on it if you guys want to check out my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.